Good day and welcome to sales. We've got a 2009 material handler automatic with air conditioning, 60-foot working height. This is the utility model. Very popular as a rear mount. Lots of storage. Good rubber on this baby. Let's get up here and show you operating, working, ready to go. I'd love to make a deal with you on this one. Bring it right over to your door. Let's get up here close and take a look at the fixing of the rubber here. Got your nice rubber there. Take a look back here. Likewise back there. 4 outrigger system, 2-man bucket. You got all your pedal hooks back here to hook up your trailer. You can use this truck to pull your Bobcat. It's very strong. Take a look at this unit here. Very nice rubber here in the back. Diesel engine. Altec 60-foot material handler. Look at those strobe lights and lights working out here. Today we're charged up and ready to roll. We're gonna raise the outriggers back up. We've got the switch right back here. We just switch it down to ground controls. Look at those babies working. Going right up here on the side. And look at that downrigger going up right there. Now likewise on this side, we got a nice place to put a big long pole saw right in there. Look at those downriggers going up. 2009 International automatic with air conditioning. All right, we got those babies up. Let's take a look inside here. Let's give you a special treat and open up the under the hood. Wow. Nice unit here. It's a hot day here in Indiana. I should have my temperature in here, but this baby's blowing cold. We've got your lights here we're going to turn off and the PTO off. Look at that cruise control, raise the idle up on this. Automatic with air conditioning. Wow. All right, now I'm going to release the brakes. It's one thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. We're going to drive her down the road now. 60 foot. 4 downriggers, diesel engine, automatic, air conditioning, cruise control. Now we're going to give her the gun and lay the hammer down. We're out here on this country road. We're going to show you she comes right up to speed. Love to have your business. We offer delivery. We can bring this baby right to your door. Give me a call on my cell phone, 260-760-5052. Visit our website at www.99trucks.net. That's that 99 in the word trucks. TRUCKS.com. Now take a look here. I've set the cruise and taken my foot off the floor. This baby's working great. Diesel, automatic, 60-foot material handler truck. Driving down the road. Would love to make a deal with you on this one. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like to see any other clips or anything, just let me know. Thanks again for watching the video.